Hello and welcome to diyas Funplay. In today's video, let's see what are the different types of farming in short. I have made a simple model to show the different types of farmings. The link for making this model is given in the description box in case if you need it. Organic farming. Organic farming is a method of farming that involves the use of biological fertilizers and biological pesticides. This method does not use any chemical fertilizers or pesticides. Crop rotation, intercropping, and mixed cropping techniques are followed in this method to maintain soil quality and productivity. Plantation farming. Plantation farming is a practice of clearing large parts of forests or other lands and cultivating trees or bushes in a large scale. Some of the crops cultivated in this type of farming are rubber, tea, coconut, coffee, spices, fruits, etc. The crop yield in this type of farming can be obtained continuously for many years. This type of farming is capital centered and needs good management and technical skills, modern machineries, fertilizers, good irrigation and transport facilities, etc. Subsistence farming. Subsistence farming is a practice of growing crops sufficient only for one's own use without any extra crops for trade. In this type of farming, farmers mostly use small lands and basic tools for farming. Crop yield in this method of farming is very less as farmers generally do not use fertilizers in this method. Commercial farming. This type of farming involves raising crops on a large scale. Most of the crops raised in this method are exported to other countries or sold in the market for profit. Commercial farms require huge capital investment as this farming is done on a large scale. This type of farming uses fertilizers and pesticides to produce a large quantity of crops. Mixed farming. Mixed farming is a type of farming which involves both growing crops and raising livestock at the same time. For example, a mixed farm may grow crops such as wheat or rice and also keep cattle, goats, chickens or fishes. Mixed farming is beneficial because animal waste can be used as an organic manure for growing crops. Wetland farming. Wetland farming is a method of farming that are carried out in areas which have adequate rainfall or nearby water bodies with irrigation systems. Crops like rice and sugarcane are cultivated in this type of farming. Dryland farming. Dryland farming is a method of farming carried out in areas which has low rain. This method of farming does not have any irrigation systems. Only crops that require less water to grow are cultivated in this method. This type of farming is mainly carried out in dry areas with inadequate rain. Intensive and extensive farming. Intensive farming requires more human and capital efforts on a limited area of land. In this type of farming, farmers raise more than one crop a year and involves high capital and human labor. This type of farming is generally carried out in densely populated areas, whereas extensive farming is an advanced method using machineries and agricultural equipments. In this type of farming, only one crop is cultivated per year and the need for human labor and capital is less compared to intensive farming.
Thanks for watching diyas Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Why not subscribe right here, right now? Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. diyas Funplay.